Mahilig po akong sumali ng mga pageant sa kadahilan ng gusto ko pong makatulong sa aking magulang. Kasi ang aking ama hindi na po siya makapagtrabaho dahil sa nangyari pong na aksidente po ang kanyang kamay. Ang aking mama naman po ay kahit bata pa sa edad ng 42, di na po siya makapagtrabaho dahil sa kanyang high blood. Kaya po, sumasali po ako para yung mapapanalunan ko po, itutulong ko po sa akin, sa pagkain, sa pag-aaral po ng aking mga kapatid. Kahit hindi ko na po maabot yung pangarap ko bilang flight attendant, para sa akin na lang po, gusto ko po yung kahit pa paano yung mga kapatid ko makapag-aaral.
Ara Arida, 24 years old, from Alaminos, Laguna. All throughout my life, siguro until I finished college, my focus was really studies since nga my parents are both teachers. They really expect me to finish college muna before I would do anything. This designer from my town, nilapitan niya ako, tapos gusto niya ako isali sa isang beauty pageant. And then, as in, kinausap niya yung parents ko, pumunta sa bahay, tapos sobrang hindi pumayag yung parents ko. Tapos ayun, sabi nila na hintayin na lang daw na magtapos ako ng college. Actually, hindi pa rin sila payag sa akin. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang I did my part already na I got my degree. So, it's now my time to fulfill what my dream really is. Ito talaga yung gusto ko, yung pageant.
I'm Jacqueline Alexandra Aperilla Mayarago, 24, from Makati City. Growing up, I was born pigeon-toed, pikit talaga. So, my mom, she really encouraged me to really get strength in my legs. Kasi before, pag naglalakad ako, I'd really trip. As in, not one of my kindest moments at all. I'd trip, or I'd finish last sa swimming pool. Palagi akong last. Tapos my mom encouraged me to get into sports. Yun, nag-strengthen yung legs ko. She made me take ballet, taekwondo, swimming. Before talaga pag last ako sa swimming pool, syempre masama yung pakiramdam ko kasi when you're last, parang you really have to learn to strive to excel. Dapat may 100 million% effort ka.
I'm Ryan Apio, 23, San Mateo, Rizal. I think this is one of the ways of coming back and telling people that na hindi lang naman ako for showbiz, that I can do something else, which is this, joining pageants. This is actually my first pageant ever. Kasi I was, nag-aaral ako, kakagraduate ko lang last year. Yung pag-graduate ko, I decided to join, change of career path. Tsaka bakit mali mo dito ako bilang? I think, everything that we're doing is a learning point. Meeting new friends is the same. And also, it's a competition. Yun nga lang, sa talent search kasi before, sobrang bata ko pa nun. I was just playing. This time, it's serious na. Ngayon, fight na akong fight.
My name is Gabrielle Nick Basson Lundström. I'm 19 years old and from Las Piñas. My father raced in boats, motorcycles, and cars. And we used to have this whole shelf full of like trophies from racing. My brothers raced in boats, and me, I raced go-karts. Filipinos have always been very family-oriented. I think I kept that from my mom. She always raised me that should respect elders and take care of one another. I've always been a very shy person, not willing to see what's new. I wanted to take the Pilipinas as an opportunity to expand my horizons and become a more confident person.